Hey everyone, welcome to this Solotica Hidrocor review. So I'm going to be reviewing all 12 colors from this line. I'm super excited. It took me a long time to collect all these colors. And this video is time-stamped if you're looking for a specific pair. Alright, let's jump right into the review. So first up is Solotica Gemstone Jade. This is I would say it's a darker green color in terms of Solotica, but it's still super bright, especially in person. Up close, they have overlaid these lenses with what look to be yellow dots, and that is what gives these lenses their depth and vibrancy. And the pupil on these lenses is a blunt style pupil hole if you like that sharp look. I find that these lenses suit people with very dark brown eyes the best. Next up is the Solotica Gemstone Aquamarine. This was my favorite color from the new Gemstone Collection, and that's because to me it looked the most natural in terms of design. It has a starburst pupil hole that's meant to blend with your iris. The color itself is extremely vibrant, and it's true to its name. It's an aquamarine blue. And it's a very simple one color gradient. They haven't overlaid it with any other colors, so if you like just a simple, clean, light blue, then I think you'll really like this aquamarine color. Next up is the Solotica Gemstone Safira. I can honestly say that this is the most vibrant, vivid blue colored contacts I have ever tried in my life. And trust me, I've tried lots of color contacts. These lenses remind me of Ellen DeGeneres. They are just such an electric blue, and they also, the way they're designed is they make your eyes look really big and really round, and literally that's all you see when you look at someone's face with these lenses is the eyes. So if you want lenses that will draw attention to the eyes, definitely the Safira. If you look up close, they have overlaid these lenses with a white kind of pattern, and that's to bring out the vibrancy of the color even more and make them stand out as much as possible. So again, if you're looking for the brightest pair of blue lenses in the world, so far it is the Gemstone Safira. Next up is the Solotica Ice. These are another extremely bright pair of white blue lenses, so I would say they're more of like a gray blue white, very light, but again it has that starburst pupil hole design which I prefer, and I think it gives the lenses a more natural look. These lenses are extremely pigmented, and I think they would suit people with darker skin tones, believe it or not. That contrast between a really bright eye and a dark skin tone is absolutely stunning, and I highly recommend these lenses if you have very dark brown eyes and a darker skin tone. Next up is the Solotica Hidrocor Grafite. This is one of my most favorite blue-gray contact lenses. It looks incredibly natural. Again, it has that starburst pupil hole design, no bug eye effect with these lenses, and they are a beautiful, gorgeous blue-gray color. They look very dreamy, and in person nobody's gonna be able to tell that these are lenses. That's why they're one of my favorite blue-gray lenses. But they're also pretty light, and they do significantly lighten my brown eyes, so you don't have to worry about them not showing up. If you have medium brown eyes, I highly recommend the Solotica Hidrocor Graphite. Next up is the Solotica Cristal. Okay, I have never tried lenses that are this particular color ever. They are like a white green. Yes, they lean more towards the like mint green color, but it's such a light mint green, so it's like just a hint of green. So that is very unique. Again, these are gonna really suit people with darker skin tones, and they're really gonna bring out the warmth in a darker skin tone just because of that very subtle green hue. These again have that starbursty style, and as with all hydrocor, no limbo ring design, And if you come up really close, you will see streaks to mimic an iris, and that's changes in opacity, and that helps make a lens look more natural. Next up is Solotica Amber, and these are such a beautiful pair of light green lenses. I want to say in person they look super bright green, and I actually went to work with these lenses, and the guys at my work noticed them. When guys don't you really notice that kind of thing, I notice, but they notice. They're like, oh my gosh, your eyes are so bright. I was like, yeah, I'm wearing green lenses. I found that when I wear them, people would like double take because they're that vibrant. So I just want to, give you guys a heads up. If you're looking for some gorgeous bright green lenses, you found them. Solotica Amber. I highly recommend these lenses if you have very dark brown eyes, because they're going to significantly lighten and change your eye color. You don't have to worry about these not showing up. They definitely will. Next up is the Solotica Avela. I adore these lenses. They are an extremely bright pair of hazel brown lenses. They're really going to bring out that caramel brown color, and oh my goodness, they are so beautiful. I included these on my list of favorite hazel lenses because it's really hard to find a pair of hazel lenses that still look natural for some reason, and the coloring of these lenses is incredibly natural, and they have the starburst pupil design and the little iris streaks in these lenses as well to help with the realism. And I just really like the color. I think the color is actually really multi-dimensional. Some lighting it looks more of like a warm brown, but then in cooler lighting they almost look like grayish. So I really love the color of Avela. Next up is the Solotica Hidrocor Mel. These are beautiful vibrant green lenses with a yellow undertone, and I feel like lenses with a yellow undertone really make a person look very exotic and kind of like showstopper green eyes. I don't know if you guys know this, but I think Kylie Jenner was wearing these lenses when she had her Ariel costume. When she was Ariel, this is the lenses that she chose because it's such a vibrant green color for that Ariel theme. Again, I like the design of these lenses. They have that starburst pupil hole, and then they have very subtle streaks to mimic an iris and make it look more natural. But I want to just mention that in person, these lenses are extremely bright green, and I recommend these lenses for people with very dark brown eyes. Next up is Solotica Ocre or Ocre, not sure how to pronounce it. I'll just put the name here. So these are another pair of brown hazel style lenses. As you can see, in comparison to my natural brown eye, they significantly brighten a brown eye. Lots of pigment in these lenses. And I also want to say that in person, these look way brighter than they do on camera. I don't know why the camera doesn't pick up how vibrant these lenses are, but in person, they are incredibly vibrant and gorgeous. Gorgeous lenses. They have a warm hue to them. They really bring out the warmth in my skin tone. I have a yellow undertone, and I find that these lenses really bring that out. So if you kind of want to have like a gold theme look, or a day where you look very warm, I would suggest the Solotica Ocre. Next up is the Solotica Topazio. These lenses remind me a lot of the Solotica Gemstone Safira in terms of how bright and vibrant they are, but the Topazio has more of a green undertone to them. They remind me of, when you go driving in the mountains and you see that water that looks like Kool-Aid, it's like literally a neon greeny blue. That is what these lenses remind me of. They also remind me of a tropical beach vacation, like vacay eyes. They are stunning, and I really like the color gradient of Topazio. I think they're fun, they're vibrant, and multi-dimensional. So if you look up close, it's that like vibrant teal sort of green, but then they put a layer of white over top of these as well to bring out the vibrancy even more and make them stand out even more. And this is what they did with Safira as well. That's why they remind me a lot of Safira. And I could do a comparison for you guys, just request it. Last is the Solotica Hidrocor Quartzo. These lenses remind me a lot of the Cristal, except for they're obviously more green looking, more of a super light green, white green, I would say. If you zoom in right up close, you can really see that white overlay they put over the kind of bluish green color. Kind of looks like blue, green, gray. This is one of Solotica's most popular color contact lenses. It's because they are super pigmented and super bright, and I highly recommend these lenses for people with very dark brown eyes. And the pupil hole is a blunt style pupil hole for that clean pupil hole look. If you guys want more of a detailed review of any of these lenses, check out my Solotica color contact playlist. It's on my YouTube channel. I also have tons of Solotica contact comparisons, so check that out. You can get all of these lenses from the website called lens.me, and if you use my coupon code Danica10, you can save money when you shop. If you guys have any more requests for Solotica or from lens.me, just drop your request in the comments below. I am trying to line up an anesthesia review, so if you guys are into the anesthesia addict colors, I'm gonna do a review for that too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.